Hi, this is a demo of an automation recipe we have for Monday.com, which allows you to create a new folder within a SharePoint site when a new item has been created within Monday.com. So it's really quite straightforward. What we're going to do is we have a board. This board happens to be called Create New Folder on Item Creation. And over here we have SharePoint. We have a folder with exactly the same name. It doesn't have to be, but it is exactly the same. So what we're planning on doing is when you create a new item here, we would have an automation that would automatically create a folder over here. So let's see that in action. So we go into Integrate and we look for Microsoft, and we're grabbing this one, and we look for when an item is created, create a new folder in SharePoint. So it says when an item is created, create a new folder in SharePoint site. So we're going to choose the SharePoint site called Monday site, and we're going to choose the folder named Create New and create that automation. So now item 5 gets created up here, an automation is running, an automation was completed. Now if I go over here, we can reload the screen and you see item 5 with the item ID behind it. If you also have the secure embed feature here, this will automatically configure it, and you can see item 5 is here, and then you can do things like drag and drop or upload files, and this is going to then start uploading files in here, and those will then appear in your SharePoint site. So it's a nice easy way to keep your files in SharePoint but keep your Monday.com things in sync with what's in SharePoint. Thanks.